All right. Every now and then I get surprised. And this was a surprise because I've done a lot of these little small cameras, been trying to find a good one, and they all had one thing in common. They were a pain to deal with. Now this one was like I turned it on and it started recording stuff before I even realized it. The memory's all built in. Plug it into your computer. You can download. The only thing is it comes out in an AVI Windows type format. So you'll be able to play it, but if you try to play it on some software, it might not work as well. So just a thought. But any Windows machine will have Windows Media Player on it, and it'll play the files off of this. So bottom line is I was shocked. The clarity, everything. I was moving, which of course is supposed to be a sports camera, so you don't want it to be blurry, and it wasn't. So I'm giving this thing 5 stars, especially at this price. So if you want a good small camera, especially for any kind of action shots, this is the one to get to make that video, because this won't set you back hundreds of dollars. So 5 stars, and I'm going to attach a little piece of video to the end of this video to show you what I did with it. I just took some shots of the rain lamp, since that's one of the things I use a lot of the time because it moves in all directions. So 5 stars. You need any kind of video camera that you want, for outside activities, that kind of thing. This is a great one. Go get one. Won't know till I actually get it put into the computer. But this is to let you see that it's recording in 3 axes here, and hopefully not blurry. Then again, this is a small camera, so consider that this is something that you can carry on the collar of your shirt if you wanted to. So 5 stars if it's working out.